Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. How is everything going on? Hope fine. Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. Alhamdulillah. Well, everything going on. Well, Alhamdulillah. Never ever disappointed. Recent situations also so tough. Lockdown and others works purpose. Don't worry, inshallah. Hopefully, good days will become. Tomorrow will be good days. Inshallah. By the way, in this video, before starting, I tell you, there are in this world many types of people. Idiot hate what they do. Smart people love what they do. And also genius learn what they have to do. I tell you this class of people, these types of people, because today video I want to tell you 4 perfect words and 2 pronunciation techniques. Word using is also most smart thinking. Right place, appropriate word, most important. Smart thinking, using right place, appropriate word, smart thinking. Okay, let's start with words. First one is plethora. Plethora means lot of. We using word lot of place, lot of cuisines, and you use today to start with plethora, like plethora of malls, plethora of supermarkets, plethora of shopping complex, plethora of cuisines, plethora of items. Using word plethora. It's one kind of synonym, lot of. Using word plethora. That's all. Second one is mesmerized. Mesmerized means something awestruck or caught your attention. For example, last week I went Cox's Bazar. It was mesmerized me. It was mesmerized me. I went last week concert. It was so mesmerized me. Painting, anything describing beautiful, using word mesmerized. Third one is however. However, remember 2 contradicting sentences. You joining 2 contradicting sentences. For example, I used to play football. However, cricket is my new hobby. I used to love dancing. However, singing is my new hobby. You can make so many sentences. Remember talking about 2 contradicting sentences using what? However. Fourth one is recapitulate. It's one kind of synonym summarizing. Like according to our IELTS exam speaking module, there one option. You express your opinion. You express your thought here. Like this one good or that one good. This one better or that one better. The term you use was I recapitulate that, or anything, summarizing anything, you can use recapitulate. Remember 4 perfect words. Plethora means lots of shopping mall, plethora of shopping mall, plethora of cuisines, plethora of items, plethora of fruits, plethora of cricket stadiums, plethora of so many things. You can use plethora. Use word plethora. Second one is mesmerized. Something struck you, caught your attention, charmed anything, any place, describing beautiful, any place, painting, anything you buy, anything attract you, anything caught your attention. That time using what? Mesmerized. Like I buy one painting, it was mesmerized me. That's all. Third one is two contradicting sentences. However, using what? However. I used to play cricket. However, football is my new hobby. I used to play. I used to like. I used to like. I used to play volleyball. However, hockey is my new hobby. Making so many sentences. Remember, here I talking about two contradicting sentences. However, using what? And fourth one is recapitulate. It's another synonym of summarizing. That's all for today. Word, four word, perfect words. Next, move on to the two pronunciation techniques. If T is followed by CH, then T is silent. Like match, matchless, beach. Next pronunciation techniques is PSY come at the beginning of any word, then P is silent. Like psychology, psychologist, psychic, etc. That's all for today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. If you think this video helpful to you, please don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.